Hey y'all! Just in time for spring and outdoor cooking, we're making some delicious Creole-style potato salad. So let's get started. Let's start the dressing with 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise. To that, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of shallots. I wasn't sure if shallots were unique to the South, so I added a picture for reference. Next, a 1/4 cup of bell pepper, a 1/4 cup of celery, and a 1/2 cup of sweet pickle relish. Now let's give that a good mix, and we'll move on to the mustards. So we're going to mix in a tablespoon of Creole mustard. And yes, this is a thing and is an important ingredient in Creole potato salad. We'll also add a tablespoon of yellow mustard, just plain yellow mustard. Let's mix in the mustard. Mustard gives Creole potato salad its characteristic yellow color. Now we're going to add the spices. A 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, a teaspoon of Creole seasoning, and I'll put the links for the seasoning in the description box if you're interested, and a 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper and a 1/4 teaspoon of sweet paprika. And let's mix that together. And finally, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of distilled vinegar and mix that in really well. Vinegar adds flavor and also helps to decrease bacterial growth when you're serving your potato salad outside. Refrigerate the dressing and let's move on to the potatoes. So use between 2 and 2.5 pounds of russet potatoes. When peeling, make sure to remove any of the sprouts, any spots, bruises, or unappealing areas that you come across. Now this is the large dice plate from my mandolin. I use this to manually run the potatoes through the dicer, and this creates fries. Then I chop the fries into 1/2-inch dice pieces. This method literally decreases the amount of time cutting my potatoes by more than half. The only consideration is picking potatoes that fit into the dice plate. Bring 1 gallon of salted water to boil. Add your rinsed potatoes and cook for 5 to 7 minutes until they are fork tender. You don't need them to boil because they're small enough that just really hot simmering water will cook them. Now fold the cool dressing into the warm potatoes. Now you don't want mashed potato salad, so keep in mind to fold the dressing thoroughly, but use a light hand. The last thing to add is your chopped hard-boiled eggs. I was taught Creole potato salad always has eggs. Cover and refrigerate at least 2 hours, but the longer the better. Decorate it with a bit of egg and a sprinkling of paprika. And there you have it, Creole potato salad. Give it a try. And remember, when you mix a little bit of Creole with a little bit of Cajun, that's good eating. See y'all next time.